So today we are going to discuss about the Google form in which we are going to give a descriptive paper to the children and collecting the answer sheet in the form of PDF. Easiest way. So what you do, first you type your paper in the Microsoft Word or in the MS Office, right? So I'm having here MS Office, this one, where you can click the plus button here and you can create a new document. But now I have already created a sample paper to save time, so 12th paper. Okay, I'm opening this file. So this is my paper with multiple page, because in English, math, physics, chemistry, you may have n number of pages like 5 page, 10 page, 15 page. So you don't worry, you just complete your paper typing in Microsoft Word, MS Office, right? Then after, you need to create this as a PDF file. So I am just using share this PDF or save as PDF. So share as PDF. Okay, so now your Microsoft Word file is going to convert in the PDF. Okay, so where you want to save, now you can save a copy through Drive. So remember, I am going to save this in the Google Drive. I am selecting save to Drive. So it will ask the name of the paper which you want to save. So I am just writing 12th PAPER. That's all. Remember that you are going to save this paper in your Google Drive. Click on the save button. Remember the file name, PDF file name which we mentioned, 12th paper. Now that's all. You just close this MS Office. Okay. Now we are starting form. I am going to the Google form here, typing Google form. Then after I am going to create the new Google form from here. Now go to Google form. Okay, my God, wait. Now just type your subject computer science. In description you can mention CLA class 12th. Okay, done. Then after, email is compulsory already, and the untitled question is here. If you want to add MCQ, means subjective and objective both, then what you do, first you collect their name and the type will be short answer. It is automatically, it is required, and there is no marks for name, right? Now I will just copy this time I will write section SECTION, section. Okay, so in class name, sorry, first I will take class, that will be better, CLASS class. Now at the place of short answer, you just use multiple choice and put only the class 12th. This is why, because student will write sometime capital, sometime small, sometime 12 science B. So we restrict them to just select this only. Okay, then after we are going for section SECT. If you are collecting from different section, then multiple choice, you just write A, add option B, and like this C, D, E, F, right? Then after, we have collected email address, name, class, and section. Now if you want to create some MCQs, then I am clicking on the plus sign and you write question number 1, and now you type something, right? WHAT, what is this? Okay, because this is the multiple choice, so you just put your 4 options. Okay, so this is one question only. Now still I have not made it a quiz, so I am going in the setting. Now here is the setting in the mobile. Okay, now you just select quiz here, make it a quiz, but we are not going to send the response, okay, for missed question and others. So I am removing this, because now see, the total marks will be added with subjective and objective. So objective marks will be automatically come from this paper, but the subjective we will check and give it manually. That's why I have removed all the missed question, correct answer, and points value. I am not going to show them. Save it, done. Now for MCQ, you have to click here. Now you choose the correct answer, which one is there, and put the marks 1 here. It is marks 1. 1 marks question is there. Click done. Likewise, you add more questions. So to add more question after done, I will just make a copy question number 1. This is question number 2. This is question number 3. Like this. Just copy and you count that how many question you want. So now I copy multiple times and I will show you that how many questions I have done. So here is class name section, question number 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. 5 questions are there. Now it's time to come to the subjective paper. I will click on the plus button here and I'm going to write the link of the paper which is saved in the drive. Okay, and so now I'm going first there in the drive. Open your Google Drive. Then after you just find out your paper which is saved here in the form of PDF. So if you remember, I have given 12th paper. Now here is the 3 dot, you touch here and you have to click link sharing. You can see link sharing off, you make it on. Turning on link sharing, so a student can view or download this paper. Now you just again click on the 3 button and click on the share, or directly you can use copy link. Copy link. Link is copied. That's all. Only this much is required. Now you come to the Google form and you can also write the instruction there, but I am just writing paste. This is the link of my question paper. Okay. Now the question type, you need to take file upload. Remember, file upload. So it will ask you the confirmation that because all the student will upload PDF file will be saved in your drive. So click on the continue. So here is the question paper link, PDF link and file upload. Now you can also specify the specific file type. Turn it on, because I will not allow students to upload any kind of the file like the audio and video. So I want only PDF, so select PDF. We will ask a student to make a small size PDF, because if the students are taking the picture from their mobile phone with high resolution, then one photograph will occupy more than 10 MB or 20 MB sometimes, right? So ask them in the online class that make it small resolution photograph, or better to use cam scanner or document scanner or some app by which they can make a PDF of 10 to 20 pages in very small size. We will ask them to maintain up to 10 MB, but still we are going to fix it up for 100 MB. So if any student will upload less than 10 MB, will be accepted. Okay, so this thing we have done. Remember, specific file type we have done with PDF, and maximum number of file student can upload only one file, and the maximum file size will be the 100 MB. That's all. Now I am clicking here in the 3 dot and I am going to write descriptions. So in description here under the file upload, we can write description that please download question paper and solved in 3 HOURS. Okay, then after what to do? Then TAKE take PICTU pictures of all page which include INCLU include page number and name on each page, right? Then create PDF and upload. We can also instruct them to upload. Okay, use DOC SCANNER scanner or cam scanner app to make PDF. That's all. This is done. Okay. Now what I am going to show you is the preview of my paper. What you do, you just touch here and I am going to share it, and then after I will going to show you the preview. So, send button, link button, and shorten URL. Now you copy this and now you open your WhatsApp to test and send to your friend. So I am just, this is my self group. I will paste it here, and this is the link which will be shared with the students. I am clicking here, and now you will see, wait, it's coming. Okay, so now here is my paper. You can put description here in the class, near the class 12th, all the instruction which you want to give, that there will be this number of the question, this is the marking scheme, all the instructions which you have seen in your CBSE board sample paper on the top, right? Okay, now I am also going to fill this. So I will just write my email address, my name, I will just select the class, I will select section, then just now I am randomly selecting the some answers, but you need to write proper question and answer here with correct answer. Okay, so I mark 5 MCQs here. Now here is the link and all the instructions there. So children will touch on this link and it will ask you for their email address, and the whole paper will be there in front of them. Okay, so they will use this paper to solve this. Okay, then they will start writing. I'm going back here. So this is how they will download and open the paper. Now how they will upload. Suppose they have created a PDF and save anywhere somewhere in the memory, in phone, mobile memory or file manager. So you click add file. This thing you need to explain to the children, that click on the add file, select files from your device. Okay, now documents. Sometime in some mobile you will see file manager or file. So here I will select documents. It depends on the different mobiles. Now I am clicking on the file manager. Okay, so now better you just put your PDF in the document or some specific folder, click on the download, and here is my, suppose this is the answer key for my PDF. Remember, you can see the size of the file, 290 KB or later 43. Now this is 1 MB file, different files are there, right? You will see that PDF are very small in the size. So just now I am taking this 3 MB file. I'm searching for a big file to show you that how we'll put. Okay, but I'm not getting. Okay, this is the 35 MB or this is the 18 MB. Okay, done. Select the file. Okay, so I have selected this file, and then after you click OK button. Now you will see the file name here. A student need to click on the upload button. It will take some time. It will show the progress bar, depend on the file of the size. So I am doing, this is I think 35 MB. I'm going to put it, no sorry, 18 MB file is going to upload there. So now you will see that 18 MB file is here, and how much time it will take, because this video I'm making it near about 8:30 and my data is almost exhausted. So it depends. Now you can see on the top the speed of 141 KB PS 134. Okay, so it need to be check also that you are getting the proper speed. It is not 0.0 KB. Okay, so hardly it will take 1 minute for it, near about 18 to 20 MB file. 1 or 2 minutes only. Okay, but this 1 minute is also going to include in this video, because I'm going to explain everything related to creating the descriptive paper. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6, tick tick 7, tick tick 8, tick tick 9, Tick tick 10. Almost 50% done. Okay. Now after this I am also going to show you that how you will get the response of the PDF file, and you will check on mobile or in computer. Okay. And you can also share, if student want, the copy of the checked answer sheet, right? But it is not necessary. You check your copy in mobile or in computer with Adobe Reader. In mobile, MS Office, it is very easy to check your copy online. Okay, so 75% is done. Okay, all your file will be saved in your Google Drive, right? All the students, those who will upload a file, that will remain in your Google Drive in a separate folder. So anytime you can open and watch all the PDFs. Okay, almost done. Okay, so now this file is only uploaded. The Google form या quiz is still not submitted. Now you will see the file name. Now it's time to submit. So I will click submit button. Okay, done. Okay, now how you will get the response of this? So I'm going to close this. I will open that form again, and you will see the response 1. When you click, you can create the Excel file by clicking on the green button to watch all the students name and file and other things. Okay, but now where my all responses are there? So I will come first in the Google Drive. Here is my Google Drive. Now because the 12th paper, and that is the untitled, this is the untitled form response, whatever the file name you saved. Okay, so here total cumulative class, no, I don't think this is the folder. My folder is untitled form. That's why we need to create a proper file name when you save your file, not this. 923, this is my file. Acha, this is my file, right? I will open again this. I will create a PDF. But before creating PDF, you remember my question paper is here. The name is computer science, but the form name on the top. Now you check. I'm just putting 1 OCT October CS 12, something which is easy to understand. Okay. Now click here. Go response and create response file. Click on the create button. That's all. Done. Okay. Now it will ask me for link to open this Google Sheet. So in Google Sheet, you will get the detail, email address, time, score, Sunil Kumar Sharma, class, section, option 1, and at the last, the link of student's PDF file. You can open file from here by clicking it. Okay. Now see, this is the at the bottom. You will see this is the link. If you click on the follow link, it will open that PDF which is answer. See, this is the file, 18 MB file, and there are many pages. So let it be. I'm not going to open from here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, again I'm going to the Google Drive, and I will search for the folder which just now it is created by this form. See, what is your file name you save, you will get the folder by that name. These are the response here. You open this file. Okay, so I will show you now that these are the response. Now how you will check this, I'm going to show you. So if you have your PDF, I'm just showing you any PDF, or this is the PDF of my one student. Okay, 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 okay. Course, चलो computer science test. this file. You open this PDF file with the Office. Okay. Now, after opening in Office, I don't know. This is checked. Oh, this is already checked. Okay, don't worry. Now, what you do? Here is the pencil button on the top. You touch on the pencil, you will get in the bottom. Okay, I will take this eraser from the bottom, and I'm going to delete everything, right, like this. Right. So you can also do. Now imagine that this is your copy and you want to check. Eraser down. Now see, all the pencil and eraser are on the same level. Whatever you will select, that will come up. Okay, now see. And now you just check like this. Tick mark, done. If you want to scroll to the next page, then you just remove the pencil, move up, down. You can zoom it, zoom out. You again choose the pencil and you can tick mark, tick mark, tick mark. If you want to give 3 marks, 3 marks. If you want blue pencil, then also you can make something. If you want yellow pencil for something, or this is the size and color of the different pencils you can take. Thickness of your pen also. This is the red color I have taken. This is the thickness of your pen. So you can choose it from here. Opacity also you can change from here. Color you can choose. Just now the red color is okay. So now I will click here, pencil down. I will move on the next page. I will check the next question. Tick. Oh, this is wrong. So take eraser from bottom and you just delete whatever you want. That's all. Now you will see in the left of corner the correct mark, right? So you touch here. Now that's all. The file which is corrected just now, it's saved. If you want to send this response to children, then you click on the share button here, and you can share with the student on the WhatsApp. Okay, otherwise this copy is already saved there in the drive where from you open this file. Got it? So this is the saved copy. Now you close what? Everything, and then after this also need to be closed, and finally it's time to say goodbye. So what you learned today, try this. Thank you.